Hi everyone. So today we are going to do an interactive lesson in Bisaya. So our topic for today is about introducing ourselves. So in Bisaya, if you want to introduce ourselves, we say ako si and then your name. For example, ako si Joanne. Ako si Joanne. I am Joanne. Now, if I want to ask you, what is your name? I will ask or I will say, Ikaw, unsa imong pangalan? Ikaw, unsa imong pangalan? Now, it's your turn to introduce yourself to me using the phrase, Ako si. Now, after you say your name, I want you to ask me what is my name by saying, Ikaw, unsa imong pangalan? Again, the phrase to use is, Ikaw, unsa imong pangalan? And then if you have more time, you can practice this with your partner or with another friend. I hope you learned something new today. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hangtud sa sunod. Salamat!